This is how the board looks now, and this is the marker. Let me put that in this hole up to the bottom. Okay, now let's see if it draws something. Oh, I posted inside. Okay, that's fine. I'm turning it on from this button. 5 second wait, and now it's again. So this is what it has drawn so far. Oh yes, hysteresis loop. Have you heard of this term? Now this is gonna rotate. This is the first drawing that robot is drawing. There are three major functions: straight line, rotate, and circles. It is able to draw semicircle on the given dimension, and overall I'm satisfied with the result, even though when it's rotate and it makes a small circle. This is due to the pen is not very fixed. It will go rotate. This is the diameter of 300 millimeter circle, and now this is 200 millimeter circle. 5 second wait, and now it will move on. Yeah. So after the repetition of like 10 to 15 times, the pattern will be very eye-catching. Right now there is no anything that is pushing the pen downward. Its weight is very light, and this is why you are not seeing the continuous line. But when we will install a servo above it, then these lines will be continuous. Oh yes. This is the first ever drawing by davinci robot. So there is a wide range of speed that I can play with, and right now I have set it to very low for the smooth operation, and I've added delays that weren't very long. That should not be very long. At the curves, it is very smooth. You can see it. The circle is very smooth. It is not consist of small straight lines. It is actually circle. In the G code, we see that this circle is made of small straight lines, but in this configuration, it actually goes for the circle. And I don't think that there is slip in the wheels. The wheels have red rubber on them, so this provides enough friction, and it is not the wheel is not slipping on this uh, shiny table. It is like creating a shape like a circle with wings. I probably have seen this kind of shape in Harry Potter.